Now we are going to learn about pass by value and pass by reference. In C++, there are two ways by which you can pass an argument to a function. The first one is pass by value, which is the normal way of passing an argument to a function. What you have done so far in all the previous demo videos related to function. So what happens what is the meaning of pass by value? Whenever you are, let's say there is a function called change, and inside this change you want to pass an integer x as the first argument. So whenever you are calling the function with x like this, you are actually not passing the original x here. What you are basically doing is you are making another copy of x and then passing it to the function change. So instead of writing this as x, visualizing it as x, you can think of it is as a copy of x is passed to the function. It is same as passing an email attachment. So your original file is stored in your system. Then whenever you are attaching it in your email and then send it to someone, it is basically making a copy of the file and attach it to the email and send it. So as a result, what will happen? Whatever change you will make in this first parameter, it will never be reflected in the original x. It will never change the original value of x at all. So that is pass by value. But what is pass by reference? Whenever it comes to pass by reference, instead of passing a copy of the value, you basically pass the memory address, the original memory address where the variable is being stored. That you are passing inside a function. For example, in this slide, see this float f and just observe this little guy, this little ampersand over here. Now whenever you are preceding the value of preceding the variable f with an ampersand like this, that means instead of passing the copy of f, you are basically passing the memory address. That is the memory address of the original variable. Variable is passed. So now when you are passing this as passing y in this function, so this is the prototype. Now when you are calling y, passing y in the function call, instead of sending a copy of y, it is actually passing the memory address of y. As a result, what will happen? What will happen is this function, whatever change this function will make in this second variable, second parameter, it will be reflected in the original y variable also, because it is the original memory location. So this is just like the fact, let's say you are using Google Drive or any central server for file storage, and you and your friend both are changing at the same place of the file. So this is not like the email attachment. Here there is only one copy of the file and you are changing it. But whenever it is coming to pass by value, there is another different copy and that is being changed in the function. So that is the difference between pass by value and pass by reference. So as a result, what will happen is this. The value of x in this function will not change in the caller main function afterwards. The value of y, since this is passed by reference, it will change in the caller main function. Now, if you are getting confused, don't be, because we are going to explain this concept using a simple demo program in the next video.